Hello everyone, I got some breaking news for you. The state of Arizona is having a robot revolution. And in the state of Arizona, the company Starbucks is putting in some robot workers, and they projected to do 10% of their workforce across the United States workers in the near future. Now, they didn't exactly give a timeline for this, but the banking giant Goldman Sachs says worldwide by the year 2028, which is coming up, there'll be 300 million workers displaced. Now, in Arizona's case, the workers that are in the restaurant industry and the cleaning industries already project that the workforce will be cut to part-time or 1099 workforce from full-time status. That'll be a big jump in benefits cut and also your livelihood, because your cost of living will be high, but you'll have to run to job just to make ends meet. Now, there's several restaurants already that's using a robot that's actually called Friola, and it is a service robot. So instead of you having one server that can take care of one seat at a time or carry one tray at a time, this robot can carry 4 trays at a time. Or instead of it bustling one seat, well, you can put all the dishes and everything on this and stack it up and take it to the clean sink operations and clean it there. So this will be a major disruptor in the restaurant industry in Arizona. But the companies that are promoting it and the companies that are using it are saying that their labor rate is going dramatically down because they'll have to hire these workers, or they put these workers at a part-time basis. Saves them a lot of money. Other news, the company Amazon has a factory that assembles the robot Hercules. And this is their lift trucks. It's the ones that you see with the items on the platform that scoot around like tow motors. They can produce 300,000 a year, and they put one in 1 hour. Now, with this is going to be a big disruptor, because with this disrupting everything, you're just not going to have the jobs. Like I stated earlier, you're going to be part-time or 1099 basis, and that's it. And then you're going to be job hopping everywhere. So your Social Security is going to be pretty much gone. And as the President of the United States has signed a bill a while ago that more employers are going to be paying into the 401k and the IRA programs automatically. Well, you won't have to do that when they're 1099 or part-time basis, because they won't make the quotas. And then they'll be stuck paying that themselves. A major disruptor, and I just see people getting poorer and poorer in the near future. So that's all I have for now. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell.